Today we're diving into the latest Termux hacking tools for 2026. Let's boot up Termux and get started. ReconWizard automates Recon in Termux. Just launch a scan to map subdomains, hosts, and open ports in minutes. It sweeps DNS records, certificate logs, and brute forces subdomains, linking them to parent domains. ReconWizard checks for vulnerabilities, CVEs, and misconfigurations as it scans. Results appear instantly in structured reports, ready for your workflow. Run ReconWizard directly on your Android device with Termux. InstaHackTermux lets you simulate credential attacks directly from Termux. You can test login forms, APIs, and mobile apps using custom word lists. The tool adapts attack methods automatically based on system responses. It visualizes password strength and generates security reports. All actions are logged and timestamped for documentation. CU lets you simulate permission abuse and social engineering attacks on mobile devices. You can create custom permission models and user personas, then test how users respond to phishing prompts or over-permissioned apps. It records user actions and flags suspicious permission requests in real time. You get heat maps of risky actions and integration with Termux's notification and accessibility APIs for realistic testing. Reports highlight the biggest risks for your team. AutoPhisher lets you safely simulate phishing attacks in a sandbox. Model, launch, and analyze phishing scenarios with a few taps. Create realistic emails, SMS, and social media messages with URL masking and payloads. Generate phishing pages that mimic real login portals for testing. All activity stays within a safe, isolated environment. Track credential captures and user mistakes. Run multi-wave campaigns and A/B test phishing lures. Generate reports for awareness training and risk demonstration. Termux Hacks lets you bundle and deploy offensive scripts on Android with just a few terminal commands. It automates dependency installation and library management. Use profile-based configurations to prep different environments instantly. Set up a Kali-like or lightweight Recon build as needed. Manage tool updates and versions easily. Sync toolkits across devices with cloud integration. For fast red team setups on Android, Termux Hacks is essential. KOPX tests two-factor authentication by simulating OTP attacks and bypass attempts. It runs replay and timing attacks and can simulate intercepted or phished OTPs. KOTPX generates detailed logs of each test. You get real-time feedback via Termux notifications. All tests are sandboxed for safety. GhostGPT automates Recon, exploit simulation, and report generation for red teams. Ingest Recon data, identify vulnerabilities, and get next steps directly in chat. Ask security questions and receive scripts tailored to your needs. Simulate exploit chains and visualize attack paths instantly. Get adaptive recommendations based on previous results. Instantly generate executive summaries and technical reports. Just review and send. Open MITM Droid, connect to your test Wi-Fi, and start intercepting packets. Filter, manipulate, and replay captured data directly from the app. Test SSL TLS and spot unencrypted traffic on your device. Run ARP spoofing in a safe lab environment. Visualize device responses and communication flows in real time. Inject custom payloads and observe app reactions. Logs and captures are saved for later review. QX lets you analyze APKs directly on your Android device using Termux. It extracts strings, decompiles APKs, flags suspicious behaviors, and detects obfuscated code or embedded URLs. You can automate analysis steps by scripting in Termux. All analysis is done locally for privacy. Before you even touch a target, you need intelligence. InfoOOZ is the OSINT aggregation tool that makes public footprinting a breeze. Designed for pre-exploitation intelligence gathering, InfoOOZ pulls data from social media, public databases, and breach archives to map out your target's digital presence. InfoOOZ correlates usernames, email addresses, and even phone numbers across platforms, showing you how information leaks can expose organizations or individuals. It visualizes relationships between entities, making it easy to spot weak links or overlooked assets. The tool's identity exposure mapping breaks down which details are public, semi-private, or completely dark, perfect for red teamers looking to tailor their social engineering or phishing campaigns. One of the standout features is its ability to generate timeline-based activity maps, so you can track how your target's public profile has evolved over time. This is incredibly useful for understanding current risks and predicting future exposures. And it all runs in Termux, meaning you can do serious intelligence gathering from anywhere. No bulky laptop required. And there you have it, the latest and greatest in Termux hacking tools for 2026, each one designed to help you push the boundaries of mobile security testing in a responsible and ethical way. Remember, these tools are incredibly powerful, but with that power comes responsibility. Always use them in authorized labs or client-approved engagements, and never, ever cross the line into unethical territory. If you found this deep dive helpful, and you want to stay up to date on the ever-evolving world of mobile security and red teaming, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got tons more walkthroughs, tool breakdowns, and workflow tutorials coming your way, so you won't want to miss out. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments which tool blew your mind, or if there's something you want to see in a future episode. Until next time, stay curious, stay ethical, and keep learning.